Hello, good morning students. This is Ms. Iram Bashir from St. Jude's High School. Students, how are you? Hope you all are well by the grace of God and following the SOPs to protect yourself from coronavirus. As we all know that previously we used to study in the classroom face to face, but due to this situation these days we will study online with full concentration. Welcome you all in this new class, and I hope that with the cooperation of parents and students we would be able to complete our course effectively. Dear students, hoping you all have bought English book for class 10th entitled Secondary Stage English Book 2 for class 10th Sim Textbook Board Jam Shoro. This book is consisting on altogether 26 chapters, and today we will study the first chapter, and this is poem The Voice of God, page number 1. I want you to keep a dictionary along with you because it will help you to accomplish the task given later. Let's have an introduction of the poet. This poem is written by Louis I. Newman. He was an American rabbi, scholar and writer. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University and after his doctorate lectured at Columbia. He is the author of many books on religious subjects such as faith and life, and this poem brings out his religious bent of mind. Let's recite this beautiful poem. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple, but God declared, "Go down again, I dwell among the people." In this poem, poet Louis I. Newman says that he had a strong desire of hearing the voice of God. इस पोएम में पोइट कहता है कि उसकी एक दिली ख्वाहिश है कि वो खुदा की आवाज़ को सुने. To fulfill this purpose, he climbed the topmost part of a religious building. अपने इस मकसद को हासिल करने के लिए वो चर्च की सबसे ऊंची इमारत पर चढ़ जाता है ताकि वो खुदा की आवाज़ को सुन सके. Because the poet wanted to make conversation with God, क्योंकि वो चाहता था कि वो खुदा के साथ बात करे. In this connection, he went up the tower of church. When he reached at the top of the tower, जब वो top of the tower पे पहुंच गया, God asked him to go down. खुदा ने उससे बात की. खुदा ने कहा तुम वापस चले जाओ. Because God lives among the people. खुदा तो लोगों के दरमियान में रहता है. खुदा ऊंची इमारत पर चढ़ने से नहीं मिलता, बल्कि जब आप उनके लोगों में रहते हो, उनकी मदद करते हो, तो वो आपको मिल जाता है. Hoping you all have the dictionaries along as I have suggested you in the beginning, because this task is related to it and you have to use the dictionaries. Okay students, these are the words. You have to find out the meanings of these words. The first word is sought, second word is climbed, third word is topmost, then steeple, declared and dwell. You have 12 minutes. Okay student, this slide is related to the answer keys for the task 1. First word meaning is sought is a past participle of seek. In Urdu, ढूंढना. Second word is climbed. go or come up. In Urdu, chढ़ गए. Third word is topmost. Highest. In Urdu, सबसे ऊपर. Next word is steeple. The tallest part of a religious building. In Urdu, बुलंद अमारत. Next word is declared. To announce something clearly. In Urdu, जाहिर करना. Okay. Next word is dwell. Live in or at a specified place. In Urdu, रहना. Dear students, this is task 2 and you have to make sentences of the following words. I think it will be easier for you because the meanings are already shared with you. My dear students, this is homework, exercise B given in your books. Question number 1 is, why did author climb the steeple? Question number 2, why did God tell him to go down again? Number 3, say in your own words, what do you think is the message of this poem? I hope you will be able to do it. Okay, because the explanation is already shared with you, and still if you have any queries to accomplish this task, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.